These problems are pretty straightforward division problems. They're all going to be easy because they're being divided by a perfect square. So let me show you how to do these. First, you simplify either the top or the bottom, depending on if they need to be simplified. The top is as simplified as it gets. If it was square root of 20, you could simplify it, but just square root of 2, there's no way to break it down any lower. So you just move on to the denominator, the square root of 25. It's 5 times 5. You look for pairs. Here's a pair. It goes to the outside. When everything inside the radical goes away, the entire radical goes away. So the square root of 25 is 5. So this becomes 3 square root 2 minus 5 over 5. And since there's no radical on the bottom, you just skip over to the last step, which is to reduce. There's no reducing that can happen here because nothing can come out of the 3 and the 5 together. So that's as simplified as it gets. Let's do number 11 too. So, right away I see a 4, a 4, and a 4, which means I'll be able to reduce those 4s, but let's wait until later. So the square root of 25 is 5. So I have 4 plus 4 times the square root of 5 over 4 times 5. Now I reduce. I see a 4 in all of these, something that's common both on the top and on the bottom. So I'm going to reduce everything by 4. This is 4 times 1 plus 4 times the square root of 5 divided by 4 times 5. So I'm going to reduce everything by 4. I'll get rid of the 4's. And what I'll have left is 1 plus the square root of 5 divided by 5. This is as reduced as it'll get. So that's my answer. Okay. So I'll just do those 2 problems and I'll leave the rest for you. These are problems 9 through 18. And then the next video I'll start with number 19.